New year, new set, new episodes of Canadian Critters. Finally! And 418 subscribers, Happy. Friends, we sure do appreciate you. Come on and see what's new on the farm. Lie still, Arya. You're disturbing the peacefulness. I can't get comfortable, Nymeria. This spot is very comfortable. What are you talking about? It's not comfortable to me. I have about 1 second of comfort, and then I feel like I have to move again. Oh dear. Well, let's have a snack then. Not hungry. Well, now you're just being ridiculous. You're always hungry. I don't feel hungry. I don't even believe you. Try this delicious lettuce. No. Apples. We have red and green. No. Take a hint, Nymeria. I want nothing. Stop it, Arya. You're scaring me. Eat some food. I can't. Daisy, Arya can't get comfortable and she won't eat.
Oh, when rabbits stop eating, it can be very serious.
Yes, we better go see what's going on here. Arya, I hear you are uncomfortable and won't eat. Yes, I just want to lay here, but I am not comfortable. My body keeps making me move. I've heard enough.
Reese needs to know about this.
Reese, I'm quite sure that Arya is sick. She needs to see a vet. Oh no! And it's starting to snow. There's a storm coming. How will the vet get to our farm?
You leave that to me, Reese. I will get the vet.
I think I'm not going to make it. You are so going to make it. We are a bonded pair, and I am perfectly healthy, so you will be too. I'm afraid for them, Mama.
Don't be, Molly. Ranger will get help.
Your help is urgently needed on my farm.
I'm right in the middle of something there, big fella.
I'll wait.
Oh, quite a storm coming, eh?
A little weather never stopped me.
What's taking them so long? I'm worried to death. Daisy, you told Molly not to worry, so don't you worry. Worrying never fixed a thing. Let's do something useful. Arya, how can we make you more comfortable? I like when Nymeria grooms me. Nymeria, get to it. They made it!
So, where's the patient?
Here!
What's the problem there, little one?
Not hungry. Not comfortable.
Oh, she will be okay. She just needs to rest for tonight and have her friends around her. She should be good by the morning.
Hooray! I knew she would be fine.
You did not.
Thank you, Ranger. You saved my best friend.
Did you remember to like and subscribe? Click the link. Thank you, friend. We appreciate you.